Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Title: Looping values of a variable through a nested while loop with a function in Python. In Python, you might encounter situations where you need to loop through values of a variable using a nested while loop and call a function for each iteration. This tutorial will guide you through the process, providing a step-by-step explanation and a code example to illustrate the concept. Before diving into the tutorial, ensure you have a basic understanding of Python and its syntax. Additionally, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Start by defining the function that you want to call within the nested while loop. For this example, let's create a simple function that prints the squared value of a given number. Next, set up the variable whose values you want to loop through. Initialize any counters or variables that you'll need within the loops. In this example, we'll use a variable x and initialize a counter count. Now, implement the nested while loop structure. The outer loop will control the number of times you loop through the variable values, and the inner loop will handle the iterations for each specific value. In this example, the outer loop runs 3 times, and for each iteration, the inner loop runs 3 times, calling the _n_print function with the current value of x. Finally, execute the code to see the results. Running this code will produce output displaying the squares of the values of x for each iteration. You've successfully implemented a nested while loop calling a function to loop through values of a variable in Python. This technique can be adapted for various scenarios, providing a flexible way to handle repeated tasks in your code. ChatGPT.